Okay, so we are looking at the next set. We're looking at the idea of first finding, graphing something that's in intercept form. So these four graphs are all in intercept form. So what that means is that I can find the intercepts here. So I got x plus 5, x plus 2. So I can find the intercepts of this graph. So all I have to do is find out, all right, so what are my x-intercepts? I'm going to the left 5, going to the left 2. So I got negative 5, 0, and negative 2, 0 are my x-intercepts. So I'm going to plot them. I got negative 2, 0, and negative 5, 0. My axis of symmetry is in the middle. So remember before, we could find the axis of symmetry by taking the x-intercept plus the x-intercept over 2. So I could do negative 5 plus negative 2 over 2, which gets I get negative 3.5. Or I could just eyeball it and say, hey, that looks like it's negative 3.5. So I'm going to draw my axis of symmetry right down the middle. I'm going to plug negative 3.5 into my equation just so that I can see it. So I got negative 3.5 plus 5, and then negative 3.5 plus 2. So I got 1.5 times negative 1.5, which is negative 2.25. So I'm going to graph a point at negative 2.25. Now, to find the other ones, I can just use my calculator to help me find some of the other values. So looking at this, you guys got the equation was x plus 5, x plus 2. So I'm going to look at x plus 5, x plus 2. And I'm going to use my handy dandy table to help me find values. So it looks like I got negative 3, so I got negative 3, 2. So I got negative 3, 2. It looks like I got negative 1, 4. So I'm going to graph a point at negative 1, 4, which means I can reflect it over to negative 6, 4. And I get my easy graph. I'm going to show you guys the other graphs in a second. I encourage you guys to try them out first, and then look to see if you guys got them. So pause it if you haven't tried 2, 3, or 4 yet. It's on my website. You guys can get it. Um, but check the answers when you're done. This is what you guys should have gotten for number 2. Number 3, you got your vertex to be at negative 3, negative 2. And then for this one, you guys got your x-intercept to be at 2.5 and like, I think it was like 1.125. Thanks, guys.